Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python provides a variety of built-in data structures that play a crucial role in programming. These data structures are used to store, organize, and manipulate data efficiently. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the important data structures in Python along with code examples. Lists are ordered, mutable collections that can contain elements of different data types. Tuples are ordered, immutable collections commonly used for heterogeneous data. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs. Understanding and utilizing these data structures is essential for effective Python programming. Each data structure has its own advantages and use cases, so choose the one that best fits your requirements. Practice implementing these structures in your programs to strengthen your grasp of Python's powerful capabilities. ChatGPT.